welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you see my face for the first time, my name is Sophia. Yeah. Don't forget to click on the subscription button and also on the notification button. It is totally free. Thank you for stopping by. So straight to today's business. So I braided my hair before I slept. Should I say braiding, or I just packed it? I'm actually not very good in braiding. So I just divided it into section and packed it, and yeah, I'm done losing it. I actually did that just to pre-stretch it because my hair is a natural hair and actually very stubborn kind of hair. So I applied hair cream and also a conditioner on my hair before losing it. Sorry, I did that off camera. So basically now I am just going to part my hair and then comb it out. Then I'm just going to make individual braids, or individual, okay, should I call it braid? Yeah, it's still braiding. Individual braid. So I could not see the back of my hair because I don't even have a back mirror in my house to help me. So I called my baby to help me out in parting my hair. So I'm done with the making. I'm using Amingos kinky Amingos kinky. I saw this hair in the market and it was really long and really nice, and for this hair I'll just be using 2 packs. This hair is really long, so all I did was I had to cut it into 2 because I just want a 14-inch butterfly locks, but you can also use it as it's long, but I did cut it into 2. Then I'm separating the hair. Now this is just to make it easy. You can use whatever kind of hair you want to use, but this kinky hair was going to give me what I want. So what I'm doing now is I just take a little, then pass it through my braids. I'll use this one, another one. I brought out another one just to wrap it round, as if you're making thread like, or as if you're just round. So I wanted it to have that butterfly and old look when it's getting old. So I didn't really do it step by step. And also when I get to the edge, to give me that bouncy knot, so I just fold it into 2, then wrap it up back. So I kept on doing this. I kept going on and on. You can see how the tip of this hair is looking knotty. So all I did basically was just fold it up inside when I get to the edge and wrap it round. I didn't want to knot it so it would be easy for me to unravel when I'm ready to unravel it. So this is what I kept doing on and on. I did the back part behind cameras because guys, if you watch this video, you'll see that it was a change of dress. I actually started making this hair around 10 p.m. late at night. So in the morning, I just continued filming. But trust me, it didn't really take time. I just slept off while doing it, that's why. So I just pass my crochet, pass the hair between my braids, bring another one and just roll it up. So I kept doing that. Then while doing that, I was also checking the lengths. That's why you see all the lengths are the same. I kept checking the length of the hair to make sure that all the lengths are the same, because 14, or is this 14? No, okay. 12-inch was just what I wanted. I didn't want it to be longer than this because it's just so perfect, trust me. So this butterfly locks actually gets finer when it's getting old. It gives it the whole dread look and everything. Guys, trust me, this hair is a killer. Like, this is my first time doing butterfly locks and it's just so perfect. I feel I should just do butterfly locks every other day of my life because wow, this hair, it's everything. It has a fitting, it has a whole dread look when it gets old. I'm going to post a video when this hair gets old on my channel, so y'all will see what I'm talking about. I got this hair about 1,500 for a pack, so I basically just got 2 packs, and 2 packs was just perfect for me. Like, I used up everything on this hair. None was even remaining. Yeah, I used up everything for the hair. You can, as I said earlier, you can use any hair of your choice depending on what you want. But I just feel kinky was the best because when it gets old, it's going to give me that Rastafarian look. Guys, I'm already feeling my hair. It's so wonderful. See what I'm telling you? All I just do is I bend it over and knot it back. Wrap it back up. So yes, we are done with our hair, guys. Like, oh my god, this is so great, so wonderful. So I'm just going to come in with my eco styler to, babe, our edges got to be late. And yes, guys, I hope this video is helpful. I hope you learned how to make the butterfly locks. There are actually different style of butterfly locks, but this is just my perfect style. Like, guys, damn, man. It's not, trust me, this hair is not heavy at all. It doesn't even feel like anything is on my hair. This is the back. Well, I got my lines. After my baby helped me, like, he was so impatient, he left, so I continued. And oh, guys, see, this hair is so light. I don't even feel like anything is on my hair. I hope this video is helpful. I hope you enjoyed it. I did this hair from scratch to the end, and I'm just going to use these golden straps that they used to wrap my hair pack to design my hair, just to at least spice it up, guys. Just to spice it up. You can put it anywhere you like. So as you can see, I'm putting it on both sides. Why I cut the hair like this, or why that I part the hair like this, it can be center part, it can be side parts, any style at all I want. Like, it's going to give me that. You already see how this thing I'm using, to these gold straps I'm using to define, to decorate my hair, is turning out really perfectly and really nice, really spicing up the hair. This is my first time doing butterfly locks, and trust me, God, I'm so impressed. Like, so here you go. This is your baby girl, and I'm just super excited, guys. So guys, please don't forget to click on the subscription button. Thank you for always supporting me. I'm really grateful. Thank you to my subscribers, to members of my family, members of this family. Yup. And to you new subscribers, thank you for stopping by. Please be a member of my family by subscribing, and also put on your notification button just so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Guys, see you in my next video. Thank you so much for stopping by. You're such a darling. Tell your friends about my YouTube channel. Spread the gospel. Share, like, comment. Just support your girl, guys. Let's hit 1K subscribers. Thank you. Bye.